Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can redeem your Steam gift card. Keep watching the video till the end. To redeem your Steam gift card, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in store.steampowered.com and make a search. The official page of Steam's account will appear on the screen. Log into your Steam account and the home page of Steam account will appear on the page. From the home page, tap on your profile name at the top right corner of the page and tap on account details. On the next page, tap on add funds to your Steam wallet option. Now all you need to do is click on redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code option. Enter your wallet code and tap on continue. This is how you can redeem Steam gift card quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.